Hi everyone, so today let's start with chapter 4, which is cost management techniques. It is also category A chapter and it's very important for the exam, so let's start. So under cost management techniques, we have two things. One is cost control and cost reduction. Cost control is basically reducing the cost which is temporarily possible. But cost reduction is also reducing the cost, but it is permanent. So under cost control, we have Pareto analysis. Under cost reduction, we have target costing. Then cost management techniques also includes a very important topic called EMA, Environmental Management Accounting. So let's start with cost control. What is cost control? Cost control involves continuous comparison of actual with standards or budgets. What is it? The cost control involves continuous comparison of actual with the standards or budgets to regulate the former. Then types of targets. What are the types of targets that we have? Okay, so basically this is like setting up this target is different from the target costing. Okay, so it involves this cost control involves setting the targets, that is yardstick. Okay, and you have to achieve the target. So for that, to set the target, you refer to the past data. That's the major drawback of cost control, wherein you are not looking at the future data. You are not predicting the future data. Instead, you are comparing with the standard or budget which is related to the past, the past business experience. So which is a kind of, outdated kind of a thing. Then, what are the type of targets that you said? One is external target that you said, the other one is internal target. Under internal target, we have standard and budgetary. External target means you look at your competitor and say, okay, my cost based on his costing, my cost should be so much. So that is like external. Internal means you compare your own standards and budgets. So that will become your internal targets. So these are the two types of targets in case of cost control. Done. So what is prerequisites for cost control? Prerequisites. So in this chapter now, each and every topic is really important. So we will go through each and every topic individually. Okay. So what are the prerequisites of cost control? Prerequisites are effective delegation of authority. You should have effective delegation of authority. An agreed plan that sets up objectives and goals. So it should set up objective and goals to be achieved with celerity. Simply means clearly defined targets. It should have a clearly defined targets. So motivation to encourage individuals to reach the goals established and agreed. So you've already set the targets, you have to motivate the people to reach the target. So what is that? Effective delegation. You delegate the work and you set a target. Once you set a target, you should motivate these people, delegated people, to achieve the target. Then timely and efficient reporting. So once they are achieving, you should also report on that. So that is timely and efficient reporting. The recommendation must be followed by action. The recommendation must be followed by action. So if you recommend, there should be an action followed by that. Then an effective system of follow-up to judge the effective implementation of recommendation. An effective system to follow up. You have to follow up. Okay, so what is that? What are the prerequisites of cost control? So the prerequisites are, first you delegate the work. Once you delegate the work, then you have to set the target. Once you set the target, you have to motivate these people to achieve the target. Once you motivate and they are achieving it, you have to keep a record of that. So that is timely and efficient reporting. Timely and efficient reporting. Then there are some recommendations which you can leave, 4 points. Then cost reduction.